by Berkue. Sewing by Berkue. Needle hits the heavy silk, tighten up the silver thread. I'm moving geometric lines sharp against the stone floor. Nothing soft remains here. Only cold architecture. Frame the bone, build the wall. Sewing by Berkue. Cut the noise. Sewing by Berkue. I am the frame. Watch me walk. Sewing by Berkue. Steel inside the hem. Structure on the skin. Cameras burn the white air. Stop the world for me. I am the masterpiece. Handmade electric power. Luxury of the blade. Precision in the dark. Sewing by Berkue. Cut the noise. Sewing by Berkue. I am the frame. Watch me walk. Sewing by Berkue. Heat on the fabric, pressure in the stitch. I never bend, I never break. I am the design, the only design. Sewing by Berkue. The only name. Sewing by Berkue. Berkue. Sewing. 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 Yeah. By Berkue. My edges were frayed, just a loose thread, waiting for a pull, falling at the seams. But I found the grain. I found the line running through the dark, making me whole. It is not just fabric, it is a heavy shield, polished and sharp, ready for the world. Stitched with the vision, sewing by Berkue, creative by design. Sewing by Berkue, style in every breath. Sewing by Berkue, so polished. Silk against my skin, cool and silent. Linen for the heat, stronger than I felt. Every needle mark tells a different truth. Precision